Salamat, Mr. Chair, for admitting that, no? Siguro naman, makikita mo naman ang gobyerno, sasabihin mo mga tanga kami. Siguro, pinapalagay mo, alam mo sa akin, Mr. Chair, ang pinapalagay ni Ms. Cassette, yung audience niya, mga tanga eh. Yung audience niya, mga tanga eh. Yun ang pinapalagay mo, no? Yung audience mo, mga tanga, kaya papaniwalaan nila ang sinasabi mo sapagkat yung audience mo mismo ang hindi nakakaintindi. That is fake news, Mr. Chair, and that is what we're investigating right now. You see? I hope that you understand that, Mr. Chair. Ms. Cassette, do you understand what I'm trying to say? Ikaw, nandito sa akin yung mga sinabi mo tungkol sa amin, ha? Hindi ako sumagot yan eh. Hindi ko na kinakailangan pang i-belabor yan. So, anyway, Mr. Chair, sinabi nyo, ikaw, ito, binanggit mo na ito, and this is something that you should apologize also. Ano sabi mo? Do not let these criminal forces twist reality to turn a strong, decisive leader into a monster. Now let me ask you, who are these criminal forces? Ms. MJ, please answer.
Okay. I have this, kasi tulad ng sabi ko, ito po ay mga reaction at opinion ko lamang.
Well, therefore you apologize because this is not true.
Sir. Okay, sir. I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Chair, this is the second time that Ms. MJ has apologized. I hope that next time, kayong mga vloggers, wag kayong magbibigay ng opinion lang, impression ninyo. Ibigay niyo yung katotohanan, may dokumento kayo. Sapagkat meron kaming documents to show eh. Naiinsulto ko, I am insulted with your statement. Being the chairman of the Human Rights and one that's investigating, I am actually insulted with your statement.
Again, my apologies, sir, and noted po sa mga suggestions po ninyo. At gusto ko lang din po sabihin na yung pong post has nothing to do with you. It has nothing to do with, pasensya na po.
Yung binabagit mong nothing to do with me, pero yung tinawag mong criminal forces, kasama kami dun eh. Ikaw naman, mag-isip naman kayo. Ang hirap nito, Mr. Chair, itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga eh. Itong mga vloggers na iba, ito ang mga tanga eh. Tatanga-tanga. Tatanga-tanga ang gobyerno. Mag-isip kayo. Hindi lang sumusulat kayo kung anong gusto nyo isulat dyan. You're telling us, yung criminal forces, gusto kong sabihin ngayon, Mr. Chair, publicly, ikaw ang tanga. Ikaw ang tanga.
Okay, Your Honor, pero...
Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, and thank you so much. I'm not angry at you, Ms. MJ. We're just ferreting the truth here. Ano?
Okay, Your Honor. Pero again, hindi ko pa alam kung saan niyo po nakukuha yung idea niyo na kayo yung criminal forces. Hindi po. Anyway,
Ikaw ang sumulat, Mr. Chair.
Okay po, sir.
Ikaw ang
My
sumulat eh.
apologies. Yes. Okay. My
Sinulat
apologies.
mo yun eh.
Okay po. Tanga po ako, sir.
My goodness. Okay, we now proceed.